Good evening. It is Matt Rogers, and welcome to Sky Watchers. It is indeed December the 2nd, 2024, timestamp 4:55 here in Great Britain. Now there's many other people across the world watching the night skies, watching the daylight skies, noticing objects, planets, orbs, some kind of strange phenomena through the skies. All you have to be is persistent and just keep looking up and noticing, recording, tracking anything, and then placing it onto photography, placing it onto video footage, and showing our community. Okay, indeed. Just by last night, around about 11:30 in the evening, pointing west, I set up the telescope and again, just using the computer, and managed to pick up this formation. I like to state as well that many times previously before I've picked up objects like this, very similar with the area of view site where we can see the whiter body on the outside, but always there is this dark center formation. Now, again, when you look at these formations, folks, it does indeed look like there is something watching. Now, we do speak about the destroyer, Nemesis, Planet X. The topic is so important. And I will do videos and show pictures and talk about those very important topics in our community. But when pulling out the telescope and zooming into other formations that just don't look like they belong in our solar system, because we normally pick up planets, stars, other phenomena, unexplained phenomena, just like this on the screen, folks, is absolutely outstanding. Something seems to be watching us. A strange orb-shaped object with a dark apparition in the center. What do you think this is? Okay, when producing photography of a very early morning sunrise, very early, I'm picking up the refraction, the golden refraction of light across the horizon, round about here. Now, this was taken very early in the morning, and I came across with a photograph to the left-hand side, some phenomena of a huge object, celestial object that appeared as well as the sun was rising. Again, it is something that looks celestial. You can see the astronomical dark shadows above as well, before the rising of the sun, the glare of the sun, but something else, celestial, looks indeed like a smaller sun, or an orb, or a planet, or something else. It showed up as well with the photography, but when taking the photograph, there was something there, like a small blip that appeared with the sunrise. So just videoing this phenomena, I thought it best just to shoot in and show you as well, just to of an example of something that does indeed look celestial. What do you think it is, folks? Yet another strange capture as well. This brings me back to a very important gentleman many years ago, a photographer, John Leonard Wolson, that picked up interstellar starships and other phenomena moving across our solar system beyond millions or billions of miles an hour. Objects we've seen footage before, and indeed they're very hard to catch through the solar system. But when zooming in deeply into the solar system, I'd like to say that what you're seeing on the screen here is an object right now showing up through the nightness, the dark solar system. You can see also some kind of phenomena of the object. It does look metallic. Notice as well the back, where we see the two large pieces just at the upper area at the back. The shape and formation does look interstellar. And indeed, when I studied John Leonard Wolson's work in detail and read the information, I was absolutely astonished that what could be seen in our solar system right now. He states as well in one of his readings that these objects are parked up in our solar system and they're waiting, they're watching. Now, indeed, is there or other beings in those huge structures? Think about it. I mean, look at the size of this formation. Now, again, zooming into the formation with the telescope, we're talking about a long way out and picking up something like this. Now, a lot of the time, though, when we see the stars at night and we notice them twinkling at night, these objects will be in complete darkness, and all of a sudden, they're so easily misled to being stars because they sort of twinkle, they light up again, and then they go dark. So catching the actual photo with long, painstaking footage recorded of the solar system, the stars, and then you can pick up something just like this. I mean, again, folks, please, if you know what this is, let me know.